Can a bank be a payment processor? In the processing flow, banks simply store merchants' and cardholders' funds and allow these funds to flow securely from one account to the other. A classic misconception among merchants is that the bank is also the one processing the transactions. What is the fastest growing payment method? Mobile payments. As in 2023, mobile payments will continue to grow in popularity in the next year. Mobile wallet. Mobile wallets are only going to get more popular. P2P, peer-to-peer payment apps. Buy now, pay later. Cryptocurrency payments. Biometric payments. Real-time payments. Open banking. Why is payment processing so slow? The time it takes for a bank transfer to be successful depends on a number of factors, and some of these factors could cause a delay. These factors include the timing of the transfer, where the transfer is being made, the currencies involved, security checks, bank holidays, and the reasons for the transaction. What is the most popular payment method in USA? Debit cards. The most popular ways to pay, according to the Federal Reserve in 2021, debit cards narrowly edged out credit cards as the most popular method of payment, with 29% of consumers using them to make purchases, compared to 28% of consumers using credit cards to make their purchases. Onpassive is developing its own debit card. Who uses payment gateway? Merchants. A payment gateway is a technology used by merchants to accept debit or credit card purchases from customers. The term includes not only the physical card reading devices found in brick-and-mortar retail stores, but also the payment processing portals found in online stores. Onpassive as gateway payment platform is the world-renowned DMCC platform in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. What is instant payment system? An instant payment enables businesses to transfer money quickly, usually between 5 and 30 seconds, although it can sometimes take a few minutes depending on system availability and the type of bank being used. Onpassive is right on it, developing its own banking system, and I don't see how instant payments will not be part of that system. What is the difference between faster payments and instant payments? Summary from an end. User's perspective, many types of payments can be faster in that funds appear to move from the sender to the receiver in near real time. But to be considered an instant payment, the payer and payee's FIs, financial institutions, need to be able to settle that payment on a real-time basis as well. Who handles payment systems? The Reserve Bank of India, India's central bank, maintains this payment network. Real-time gross settlement is a funds transfer mechanism where transfer of money takes place from one bank to another on a real time. And on gross, Onpassive is one of the companies that the Reserve Bank of India say is viable. Gross settlement is a continuous process of settling transactions individually and as they occur rather than being processed in a batch. What is a settlement in payments? Payment settlement refers to the process of the issuing bank transferring funds from the cardholder's account via a payment gateway to the acquiring bank, the financial institution that accepts card payments on behalf of the merchant. What are the risks of instant payments? 3 key risk management components. Financial institutions should consider when preparing for instant payment offerings are 1. Liquidity risk management, 2. Third-party risk management, and 3. Fraud and compliance risk management. Onboarding due diligence. Stopping first-party fraud starts during the onboarding process. Digital identity verification tools use digital data points like IP addresses, locations, cookies, and email checks to verify a person is who they say they are. This stops fraudsters who are trying to use someone else's identity or accounts to commit fraud. However, it doesn't stop people from using valid identification documents to commit first-party fraud. Therefore, it must be used in conjunction with other risk reduction methods